Welcome back to Auto's Car, where we bring you closer to the timeless classics and the machines that defined entire generations. Today we are going to take a ride back into the golden era of American automobiles, the late 1960s, and explore a car that carried the full-size luxury of Oldsmobile with the muscle of the performance-driven 60s. This is the 1967 Oldsmobile Delta 88, a car that captured both comfort and strength, and became one of the shining stars of the Oldsmobile lineup. When we think about the late 60s, the American car scene was exploding with excitement. Automakers were competing fiercely to produce vehicles that had more style, more power, and more presence on the road. Oldsmobile, which had already earned its reputation as General Motors' experimental and engineering-focused division, took this challenge seriously. The Delta 88 was introduced as a full-sized car that balanced affordability with luxury, offering a lot of car for the money. By 1967, the Delta 88 had gone through significant refinements, making it one of the best-looking and most versatile cars of its time. The 1967 Oldsmobile Delta 88 stood out immediately because of its bold design language. It was longer, wider, and lower than many of its competitors, giving it that road-dominating presence. The front end carried a wide grille with dual headlights integrated beautifully into the body lines. The chrome trim highlighted the sleek edges, giving it an upscale look while still maintaining that American muscle attitude. The body lines flowed gracefully from the front fenders all the way to the rear, giving the car an elegant silhouette. This design was meant to appeal not only to younger buyers but also to families looking for a stylish yet practical full-size sedan or coupe. Inside the Delta 88, Oldsmobile offered a spacious interior that screamed comfort. Plush seating with high-quality upholstery made long drives feel like a breeze. The dashboard was designed with simplicity, yet carried that classic 60s vibe with horizontal speedometers, chrome accents, and plenty of room for the driver and passengers alike. The Delta 88 was available in multiple body styles, including a two-door coupe, four-door sedan, and even a convertible, making it a car that could fit the needs of a wide variety of buyers. Whether you were looking for a comfortable cruiser for family road trips or a stylish ride to impress, the Delta 88 had you covered. Of course, when we talk about the 1967 Oldsmobile Delta 88, we cannot ignore the heart that powered it. Under the hood, the Delta 88 came with Oldsmobile's famous Rocket V8 engines. The standard engine was the 425 cubic inch Rocket V8, producing impressive horsepower that gave the car both strength and smooth acceleration. Oldsmobile had built its reputation on these engines, and the Delta 88 carried that legacy proudly. The car wasn't just about raw power. It was about delivering a refined driving experience. The suspension was tuned for C,